Start today's lecture series with Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's quote, which says, "Umbrella can't stop the rain, but can make us stand in rain." So is confidence. Confidence may not bring success, but gives us power to face challenge in life. It is a very common phenomenon among students, especially when an important examination is at their doorstep. Most cases, exam stress is caused by fear of failing an exam due to lack of motivation levels, lack of preparing and planning, high expectation from others, and competition from peers. The lecture series here focus to ease your tension and make things easy for you. In today's lecture, we shall see the major topics every aspirant should go through to crack any question on soil mechanics and foundation engineering. It plays a vital role in construction as well as any structure to be strong relies on the foundation. Let's see the topics quickly. The topics are properties of soil and soil indices, effective pressure, permeability and capillarity, seepage and flow net, vertical stress in soil due to loads. Basically, the stress distribution. These 5 topics paves way for better understanding of the upcoming topics which are given more importance in exam point of view. Those are consolidation, shear strength of soil, earth pressure and retaining wall, bearing capacity of soil. Further topics are stability of slopes, compaction of soil, site investigation and soil exploration, soil structures and classification. Studying these topics will help us crack any question in a given question paper or in an interview. And friends, it is very much important to select a book or the notes that we are going to refer for the preparation. So, everybody will have a doubt what to refer, where to refer, and how to select the right notes. So, here are a few guidelines that everyone should keep in mind. I would like to advise you to have a small diary to make note of all the topics that are important, the formula, and the key points that will help you do a final revision in the examination. Generally, we tend to refer almost 10 to 15 books for one subject, and that will be time consuming. So, in order to ease these, we have to select books that are very easy to understand, which has concise explanation, which has accurate information, and that can help us present topics with more number of images so that we will be able to recall in the examination hall. The books that I have referred for this course are listed here: Foundation Analysis and Design by Bubbles, Textbook of Soil Mechanics and Foundation Engineering by Murthy, Soil Mechanics and Foundation Engineering by Arora, Soil Mechanics and Foundation by B.C. Punmaya. You can also refer your own class notes to make it more understanding, and I thank you for your time and kind attention. Keep yourself motivated and cover all topics as I post many videos. Thank you.